Friends, welcome back to our channel this morning. In this video, I want to show you how to convert your Pi to Naira. That's what this video is all about. A lot of people, when they mine a cryptocurrency, the question is so much because they need the Naira, they need the cash. So for those who are in Nigeria, even if you're a layman, when it comes to stuff like this, please look at how you can convert your Pi to inside Naira. You don't need to be waiting for someone to sell for you. You can do it yourself. So this video will be a bit detailed, so pay attention from this stage to the other stage. So I'm already on the Pi area now, so I'm going to click on top of this place. I click on top. Now you can see my Pi that is under migrated area and the one that is not verified and all that. So I want to go to the migrated area that's migrated to mainnet. Let me view wallet. I want to view the wallet. Just pay attention. Now the system will require me to put my the key phrase. These are 42. Let's look at it. Sorry. That is the passphrase, to 24 passphrase. So on your own, you know to do it. And when you are doing this, please don't disclose to other people. This is dangerous. Anybody that has access to this, has access to your account, can do anything with your account. Okay, I've just done that. And now you can see that what I have here, out of all my coins, what I have under available balance is 56.78, and that's where I'm going to first of all withdraw to my exchange. I'm going to use Bitget. Then when I withdraw to exchange, I'm going to sell it. You see how exactly it's being sold. So I have it here. If you eventually have enough here, but none is on this, please, all you need to do, click on migration and then click to move it to available balance. It will be there. So that's it. So at this point, I want to sell. So I'm going to click on pay request. Watch. I'm going to withdraw 50 of this. Now I click on manually add wallet address. At this point, I'm going to add the wallet address here. So let me copy that wallet address from Bitget. Now you're going to see how it's being done. So this Bitget, I'm going to click on top of this top left. You see here, I click on it. It opens. Let me search for deposits. I search for deposits. Pay attention. I choose Pi. This deposit Pi. Now this is the Pi address under Pi network. So I click on it to copy. It's copied. And I go back to this place and paste it. It's not paste. So how many do I want to withdraw? It's 50 I want to withdraw. So I put 50. I want to withdraw. Nothing else to do here. Now I click on send. It says you're about to send it. Be sure so that you don't make mistake. Confirm. Confirm it. It's okay. Transfer successful. Now I can easily go back. Let me go back to Bitget to see if that coin has come in. Already I have some of them here before now, but then if it has come in, I will see. So let me see this notification. That's the notification there. Okay. Now check assets. If it has added, I will know. One deposit has been confirmed. It's not fully confirmed. It's about to be confirmed. Once it gets confirmed, they are going to see it. It will be added there. Look at what I have already here, 113. So once it's confirmed, it's going to boost it. So in the next few minutes, you're going to have it. Okay, finally have been confirmed. Can you see the increase from 113 to 204? So it has been added. It's now here right away. So what next do I'm going to do? I'm going to, because remember I want to convert this to cash Naira in Naira. So I'm going to trade part of them. I'm not doing all of them. I'm going to trade part of them on spot convert to Naira, I convert to USDT. Then from USDT, I use P2P to convert to Naira. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. Just let's go to trade. I want to check. Okay, let's go to trade. You see what Pi is selling for now? 1.830 whatever. I don't want to spend so much. I just want to use, let's say, 20 of this Pi. That's what I want to do. So I want to sell, and I'm going to sell based on the market price, whatever it be. So quantity of Pi, no. Let me type it. I just want to say 20, only 20 for now. See how many I have here, but I want to say 20. And to USDT, under market, I'm not holding back. So let me click on sell. Confirm. It's sold. You understand? I've sold this for just 20 pieces. Now let me go back to my assets. You see that? You see? Can you imagine it? Before you were not seeing USDT here, but now USDT is here. You understand? Can you see it? So because that 20 Pi is up to 36 points whatever USDT. That's based on the current price of Pi. So it was 36 USDT. So it's this amount now I'm going to do. But I want you to understand something. This USDT is still under spot. So if I want to sell it to convert to cash, it's not going to work. So I need to transfer and convert it first from spot to CTO. Yes, you're going to see what that means. Because that's the only way I'll be able to sell it for cash. So what I do, I click on USDT. Okay, let me go to, I go to transfer. I click on transfer. I choose a coin. The coin I want to transfer is USDT. So I choose USDT, not Bitcoin. That's it. I'm transferring from spot to OTC account. Yes. OTC is what we used to call funding account before, but they have changed them. That's why you need to be, you need to know what is going on in the crypto world. If you know about funding before, you might be confused. So that is the same thing, OTC, from spot to funding. So that is it now. And I can decide to say all, because since I want to, look at, USDT, it's okay. So I say all. You see, all is 36, whatever. I want to sell all, as long as the USDT is concerned. So having done this, I click on confirm. Yes, transfer successful. Confirm. It's settled. Now, having done that, see the next thing we are going to do right away. We're now going to I go to home. I click on this top left. I go to P2P. Watch. I go to P2P. Click on, this is buy. I click on sell. Now remember, this is the base. This thing is USDT here. So if it's not what is there, please correct it using there. So now, if you check the current price of Pi or there of USDT, if I'm selling 36 USDT, if you multiply, let's assume the current price is like 1.5 or thereabouts, you discover that it will not be more than 50,000 naira. It will not be. So, and while you are choosing the where to sell, consider this. This person is saying, I can sell from 150 million to all those. So you cannot say to this person, so your money that is around 50,000 cannot go for him. You will not. So don't bother yourself. This person say, okay, I can sell from 10,000, but it's not available. Oh, this one would have been a very nice thing. So check the one that's lie within that 50,000 naira bracket. You understand? That's how to do this. You must have to check the one that is within the range of what you have. See these ones, see these ones. You see, we're looking for the one within 50,000. And the more it goes down, the prices are coming lower. Well, that's it. Now, if you don't have much to say, there's a disadvantage of being a poor man that doesn't have much. So it's always there. Okay, this one is 50. You can sell up to from 50 and above. So, and this one, look at the price and look at this other things you're going to consider. This person is still online. He says online. He has made 178 orders and has a 99.7 rating, which is a very good one. You can also see this one. You see it have 99 rating, 178, 785 orders. So massive, and you can see the ratings, everything and all that. So you can still go for this one. So any of this one now, I go. So once you want to go here, then you click on sell. So I have to think of the one to go for. Let me go for it. Even so, this is a very higher price than this. So I still click on this. Now having clicked on this, you can see available. I have available balance, and the system said the minimum you can sell is 33 points, but I have 36 points. That means I'm fitting to sell. Now I may want to put my money in fiat. Let it be in Naira. So the minimum it says 50,000. Meanwhile, I have something bigger than that. So I think what I have should be up to. So I decided that okay, I want to sell, let's say 52. I want to make it a round number. That's what I want to do. So you can see I put in this, and the system is telling me that what I put here, the equivalent of it is this. So I have enough that I'll pay for the fee. And so my details, because I've already registered for P2P, so my details where the thing will go in is here. So at this point, look at the information this person says, drop your number, this and that. Now I'll click on sell. Once I click on sell, you will see what happened. The person will now know that I'm open to sell. He'll make payment. Once you make payment, I will see it. I will receive it first. Make sure you receive before you release the coin. If not, you run into trouble. Just watch. It's okay. Order generated pending payment. I'm waiting for that payment. Once it's there, you see what will come up. Just wait. The whole thing is quite open right now. So once it's done, I'll show you what the next thing to do. And this thing will must happen within 1 hour time. If not, this order will be cancelled and you start again. So even the person at the other end will do everything to make sure he pays before the time runs down. Now, once you see this, this is a sign that something has happened. But check truly if you have got that. So check where you're expecting this. Now, you see it. There's this. You can see it. So once it's successful, you are sure that it's successful. It has been added. You can now go and click on release, because this says screw. And now look at where they say I've confirmed this, I've not confirmed. Click on I've confirmed. Then the system is still wanting, make sure you confirm this before releasing. Click confirm because it's already confirmed. So you've done your part, and then this security verification, because you see I have this PF whatever security, so I need to put it to confirm. Let it not be that another person is using my account. So I'm going to get it under my authenticator app. Please, that's it. That's my authenticator app. Okay, I have 479252. 479252. 479252. 252. Everything. I seen it. So you can see it's written here now. Exactly. So you see how from that pi it has turned to this. Yes, the process may be long, but this is exactly how it goes. So someone says, I have this, what do I do? And a lot of people, in order to tell you, let's do for you, and they confuse you. But one thing I'm going to tell you is this. I know there are so many of us who don't even have Bitget, we don't have all this stuff, we're not interested in crypto. So if you have these things, you can still contact us and then send so we can help you do it. That's exactly how it was. So if at the end of the day you say, I don't know what to do, I cannot do this, we can still help you do it. On our grid, okay, you're going to do this, you're going to do that. We can help you do exactly that. So you can see it's not done completely. The buyer out there is happy, the seller is also happy. So view assets, whatever be that particular coin, is sold off. So that's exactly how it works. You can see it well done. So if you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe, follow us on what we do here. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share it. And if you have a question, please use the comment box. We're always here for you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.